Come in.
The Lord is our light.
One of
our salvation.
One of the greatest lyricists to ever grace dancehall. Victory. I want to listen to that song.
Every morning I wake up, I pray to the Lord.
Come here now. Run for like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't hesitate.
Every morning I wake up, I pray to the Lord.
What him say? Victory. From poverty to big dreams. And all me dog, them with me. Welcome home, Kyra. Big up yourself, youth.
My family, they're with me.
Woo!
Victory. From poverty to big dreams.
Now the chorus tough. The chorus is very catching. The chorus grab you. Bono. But you get what I say.
And all my dog, them with me. My family, they're with me.
Hold on the spectacles.
Me there with me dog them. The fake one's gone, but the real one's there.
No, that is something I love with Kartel. Kartel have a voice changer, like him switching in vocals. You see me? The tune and voice just change, something like Tamil. You see me? I guess you can call it a Tamil learn from the teacher.
We are run through pussy and cheddar. One time we did broke, now we rich forever. Rolls Royce umbrella for the weather. New Porsche, girl, I smell a fresh leather. And she wanna fuck me and fuck my brother. I mean have no money. Tell me mother say, mommy don't worry. One day me a go make it out, give you a big house. 1, 2, 3, 4 stories. Pussy woulda rather see you dead. But me mother go on her knee a prayer.
This man is a king in Portmore, you brother. I'm not gonna feel like this man thing Lily, you brother.
She said, could you buy butter, fin and me dry bread? No me bank book full up and me dog them fed. God of the greatest. Victory, from poverty to big dreams. And all me dog them with me. My family, they're with me. Victory, from poverty to big dreams. And all me dog them with me. My family, they're with me. Hold on. For me, I go a primary, ask Juju. Tell myself, say me, I go big like Buju. And the pussy, them, I tell me, say me shouldn't. All people will love me, I tell me, say me couldn't.
Yo, a man just simple dog and deadly, bro. It's just unmatched. Like, Vybz Kartel is probably the most simple artist you can find in terms of how him deliver music. Like, effortlessly, and it's just a big freaking song. Me a forget a size of the cake. And if the cake done, me get the pudding. Cause me love for you have money in my pocket. Purpose motivate me look where bad mind do. Try stop my food, swear to God me a go ruin ya. Win by a landslide and I do enough. Park on the runway, me and the crew enough. Fuck a year hostess, the jet still a fuel up. Lobster, curry, lamb chopper, brown stew enough. Chris girl.
Me have a chef or two enough. Canary all up on my diamond. Me have a personal jeweler. Victory, from poverty to big dreams.
Man, me have a chef or two, you know.
And all me dog, them with me. My family,
one silver.
Victory, from poverty to big dreams. And all my dog, them with me. My family, them with me.
It's rich. Show billionaire. Excuse me to be continued. Rich. Billionaire. Watch him. Rich.
Yo, mami. Alright, lady.
What if you could make a song using only your voice?
I don't want to make a song.
Let's start with the drums.
Okay, shut up. Let me just hold on, people. Hold on. No. Let's say this. Vybz Kartel is a driver see Vybz Kartel out, that's one. You see me? And I think from Vybz Kartel come out you can see the shift in a dancehall in terms of artists. Man never used to do interview, start the interview. You can see man never used to be all up in the media, now all in the media. You see me? And we have to be honest with ourselves. Vybz Kartel, Dona my artist. Like Dona is the baddest lyricist in this world to me. If you tell me, yo, Kartel I Dona. When it come to lyrics, that Dona. From me young, from me I got high school, brother. Dona. Like, more me sing out some Dona and someone I say, yo, what that? That's how much I am a Dona fan. You see me? So, I don't feel like say, yo, when me say this, may I say it out of, oh, favoritism. I just feel like I don't know is the toughest thing. You see me? But I don't know himself say it. Kartel are one of the alien them. And I don't know is one of the alien them to me. You see me? Kartel can just make any song sell. A man just creative and a man just like I feel like some man in the studio dog and them bust them brain. I feel like Kartel just sit down and sip all a one juice and bun a craving here and say, yeah man. Victory from poverty to big dream and all my dogs are with me, my family. You see me? It's not even something where you can say a rhyme, but the delivery of it make it sound like, oh, this shit tough. You see me? So again, shout out to Kartel and very good message. Song pretty much I tell you say yo era. When I'm younger, he used to dream of being as big as Buju. Technically speaking, I think he's bigger than Buju. See me? Shout out to Gargamel, legend. You understand me? And song is pretty much tell you say yo era. I come from poverty, now I live him dream. You see me? House, cars, you see me? Plenty woman, you see me? So you have to really be very mindful of how dangerous Kartel is lyrically. I don't, bro, the only person in a dancehall where I think can go against Kartel, bro, is Idonia. I mean, looking at me here, let me tell you this. Nobody in a dancehall can go toe to toe with Kartel, but Idonia. And if you ask me, yes, I feel like Idonia will win him. And I feel like Kartel will win Idonia too. That's how great the two man them is, in my perspective. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Soon in the next one.